Hello everyone, today I'm going to review Sofirn C8T LED flashlight. Sofirn C8T. This flashlight is using XPL-HI LED and 18650 lithium ion battery. For this test, I'm using Sofirn 18650 3000 mAh. Before that, I show you the user manual of this flashlight. When you purchase, inside the box we have a USB charger and USB cable, and also spare O-rings. So let us see. This is the most important page. It has two groups, group 1 and group 2. Maximum distance 500 meter. Okay. Maximum brightness of this flashlight is 1300 lumens, and it has two groups. Group 1 is low, medium, high. Low, medium, high. To change from group 1 to group 2, we need triple click. Now is group 2. Moonlight, low, medium, high, and SOS. Double click for strobe. Double click for now is strobe. The color temperature for this flashlight is 5700, which is neutral white. After this, I will test this flashlight outdoor for better review. So this is the review for Sofirn C8T. I start with the lowest mode first. This one is the lowest. Medium, highest mode. As we can see, around 100 meter, still very bright. As in user manual, this can throw until 500 meter.